Guided Compassion and Loving Kindness Meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation on compassion and loving kindness. This practice is designed to nurture empathy and warmth toward yourself and others, cultivating a gentle and open-hearted presence. We will explore compassion, gradually expanding our circle of kindness from ourselves to all beings, fostering a deep sense of interconnectedness and peace. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on the floor or in a chair, allowing your back to be straight but not stiff, your hands resting gently on your lap. Alternatively, if you are sitting on the floor or on a cushion, you can take a lotus or half lotus posture with Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes if that feels right, or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale, release any tension, softening your shoulders, your jaw, and any other areas of tightness. Set a gentle intention to cultivate compassion through this practice, both for yourself and others. Allow this intention to settle in your heart, becoming the foundation of your meditation today. Your intention could be something like, I open my heart to compassion, or may I bring kindness to myself and others. Think of your intention as a seed planted in your heart, ready to grow through this practice. With each breath, let it deepen and take root within you. As we begin the meditation, let this intention ground you in kindness. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale as it flows through your body. Simply observe each breath, allowing it to ground you in this moment. Notice where you feel your breath most vividly. Perhaps the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness at your nostrils as you inhale, or the gentle expansion of your belly. Wherever you feel it most clearly, let this be your anchor, grounding you in the present. With each inhale, imagine a wave of ease entering your body. With each exhale, feel any tension slowly melting away. Picture yourself sinking deeper into a space of calm and peace. Let your breath guide you here, where kindness can arise naturally. As your breathing returns to its natural rhythm, observe any thoughts or emotions that arise. Imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky of your mind. Allow each one to come and go, noticing them with gentle awareness. Return to the rhythm of your breath, letting it anchor you more deeply in this peaceful space. Let's start by focusing on cultivating compassion for yourself. Bring your awareness to your heart, the center of your being. Imagine a warm, gentle light glowing there, like a soft candle flame. Repeat these words silently or out loud, letting them sink into every part of you. May I be happy. May I be happy. May I be happy. May I be healthy and strong. May I be healthy and strong. May I be healthy and strong. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May I live with ease and joy. May I live with ease and joy. May I live with ease and joy. If difficult feelings arise, acknowledge them with kindness. Remember, the purpose here is not to push anything away, but to embrace all that arises with a sense of acceptance and compassion. As you repeat these phrases, visualize this warm light expanding in your heart, filling you with a sense of kindness and care. Allow yourself to fully experience this warmth and compassion, as though you were comforting a dear friend. Now imagine someone you care for deeply, someone who naturally brings warmth to your heart. Visualize them standing before you or imagine their presence with you. As you breathe, imagine this warm light flowing from your heart to theirs, like a gentle stream of compassion. Repeat these phrases, directing them toward your loved one. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. Notice how it feels to extend compassion toward them. Allow yourself to feel the shared human connection, the bond that exists between you. If it feels right, let this connection deepen as you continue to send them loving kindness. Now expand your compassion to include others in your life. Perhaps people you know casually or encounter daily but may not know well. Picture them in your mind's eye, one by one. With each person, visualize offering them the same warmth, the same compassionate presence that you cultivated for yourself and your loved ones. Silently repeat these phrases, directing them to each person. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. Let go of any judgments or expectations. This practice isn't about who they are or what they have done. It's simply an offering of kindness, an acknowledgement of their humanity. Imagine that each phrase you offer is like a small pebble dropped into a still pond, sending gentle ripples of kindness outward. As you continue, feel your heart expanding, becoming spacious and open. Imagine this circle of compassion growing larger, encompassing neighbors, community members, and even those you may never meet. Allow your heart to be a boundless space where all beings are welcome. Now allow yourself to bring someone to mind with whom you may feel tension or conflict. If it feels challenging, remember that you are safe and in control of this process. Visualize this person standing before you or simply hold them in your awareness. Acknowledge any difficult feelings that arise, letting them be part of your experience without trying to change or suppress them. Recognize that, like you, this person seeks happiness, safety, and peace. Now offer them the same compassionate phrases. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be happy. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be healthy and strong. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. May you live with ease and joy. By offering compassion to those with whom we feel conflict, we soften the edges of resentment, allowing understanding to take root. Imagine this warmth melting any barriers, creating a bridge of connection between you. You may feel a sense of release or even relief as you extend this kindness. This part of the meditation can be challenging, but it is one of the most powerful aspects of loving kindness practice. By offering compassion even to those with whom you feel conflict, you cultivate resilience, empathy, and the ability to let go of resentment. Remember that this practice is a journey. Each time you return to it, the process of compassion deepens and becomes easier. Now allow this circle of compassion to extend to all beings everywhere. Imagine a warm, radiant light flowing from your heart, filling the space around you and expanding outward, covering the entire world. Hold in your mind all beings, from those close to you to those far away, those who are joyful and those who are suffering, even beings you have never met or may never meet. Visualize them gently held in this field of compassion, connected by the light that radiates from your heart. Repeat silently. May all beings be happy. May all beings be happy. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings live with ease and joy. May all beings live with ease and joy. May all beings live with ease and joy. Imagine this warmth touching every heart, bringing peace and comfort to all who encounter it. Allow yourself to immerse in this sense of universal compassion, feeling deeply connected to all life. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the steady rise and fall of your chest, the grounding presence of your body in this space. Take a few deep breaths. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your heart. Notice how this practice has affected you. What feelings, thoughts, or sensations are present? Allow yourself to receive any insight or peace from this practice. Set an intention to bring this compassion and kindness with you into your daily life, letting it guide your actions, thoughts, and words. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the sense of compassion and connection into your present moment. This loving kindness meditation can be a transformative practice, helping you cultivate compassion for yourself and others. Through consistent practice, you will find yourself feeling more connected, resilient, and open-hearted in your daily life. May this compassion grow boundlessly within you, radiating peace and well-being to all whose lives you touch.